The Fixer Man is back, guys. Obi is about to fix a broken computer screen. I thought to share because I know that, you know, sometimes we have broken computers and we just, you know, go ahead and buy a new one when we can just, you know, replace it with whatever it needs. It's really the family computer, but unfortunately one morning, you know, we woke up and the screen was just ink. You know, it seems as if someone stepped on the computer and nobody is there to say I did it or whatever, you know. Nobody wanna owns it. So this computer has been, you know, sitting in a little corner. You know, we can't do nothing to it, but it's a good computer. So we decide, you know, just get whatever it needs and try something. So the Fixer Man is here.
Hi.
All right, guys, so Obi is gonna show you all how to fix, you know, a broken, you know, computer screen. So what you're doing right now, Daddy?
So now that you fix the screen, you have a little strip. Take a strip around it. All you need like is, you know, like a little plastic thing. You put around it and you try to release it. After you release it, you only have 4 tiny screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. You pull these.
You have to unscrew.
Then get the screen forward.
Okay.
Just take a strip.
Want to say hi, Josh?
Hi guys.
All right.
Hi guys. Hi guys.
So what are you really doing? No.
Well, the wire is here, so you have to ease up this little latch. And after you ease up the little latch, you ease up this little latch, then you pull the wire from underneath.
Okay.
This way, ease up the latch. The screen goes.
So guys, remember, you know, I did a video before where I was ending out, you know, the mountain climbing video where I said 2 packages came in my name. So now I see what came in my name. It was the computer screen. Josh is having fun with the bubble wrap. Look at these 2 now. Share it, guys. Share it in 2, baby. Because Josh, you one already.
There's new screen.
So the same way you took it off, you know, that's the same way you're gonna put it back on. Okay. Want a brighter light?
So guys, I'm gonna turn on the computer, make sure the screen corresponds before we do any screwing up. Alright. There we go.
Woo! Brand new. All right, baby. You're the boss, baby.
So then we can go ahead and screw them up.
All right.
Well, the cost to fix this computer was $54. That's it. If we did have to buy a new one, it would cost way more. Lock it down. So, or you can just go ahead and just tear it off.
Stickers.
Okay.
Brand new.
So guys, Obi might be shy on camera, but he's the one that does all the fixing, you know, around here. You know, I don't know what Obi cannot fix, honestly.
As long as it's fixable.
You hear him? As long as it's fixable, trust me, he's a jack of all trades, right, baby? Man, goodness.
What?
Wow, guys, look at that.
Finish story.
Can I put Prodigy on it, please?
You want to put Prodigy on it, Josh? I mean, Jerry.
Yes.
Beautiful, baby.
And now I'm Prodigy.
Look at that. Look at that, guys.
This is all the tool that you need. Small Phillips screwdriver and a little plastic with a sharp edge. And you use to
Lift the screen, right?
move the strip from around the screen.
Oh,
And then 4 screws. That's it.
okay. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this little video. We hope that it's some help to you. Before you throw that computer away or before you buy a new one, try to get it fixed first. All right, guys. So guys, it's down for me to open the second box, and at this point I'll find out that Daddy had purchased a laminator machine for me. Guys, I was like, wow, that's so nice. So we're just here, you know, testing out the laminator to see how well it is working, and we are so pleased. So guys, we are testing out the laminator on, you know, the children's Bible verse card. And yes, guys, so while Daddy is doing the laminating, Haley is doing the clipping of the edges, you know, to remove the sharp edges, you know, from the cards. Just want to say that we are truly, you know, enjoying the laminator so far. It is handy and, you know, much useful. So guys, at this point, Daddy gonna show off his skill to show you how he managed to laminate more than one card at once. So while Daddy is doing the laminating, Haley is cutting the sharp edges, you know, off. And look at that. All done, guys. Yeah, so you have to do the cutting now. So guys, you know, we do the cutting and then the shaping up, which Daddy gonna show you guys.
Make sure you
Line it up neatly.
in that line. Then I do it more than once because I want to make sure it cut. Go.
Guys, honestly, I always wanted a laminator because, you know, at times you have some, you know, materials that you really want to preserve the condition. And I figured out this is a very nice way to do so. You know, like these cards, for example, these are some Bible, you know, verses cards that we use with the children, you know, to for them to help with remembering Bible passages. You know, these really are, you know, cards that, you know, Joel used in kindergarten, you know, as, you know, they do homeschool, and, you know, Bible is also part of the, you know, curriculum. So we figured out this would be a nice way to preserve these cards. You know, future wise, we can pass them down to other parents or those who are interested in, you know, teaching or for their children to learn, you know, Bible passages, you know, and even, you know, able to memorize them, you know. So as you can see, guys, you know, they'll be in good condition. In our children's studies on Sabbaths, you know, where each of the children, they choose a card, you know. So I'll place him down like this, you know, and then each of the children will come and choose one, and then that would be, you know, whichever child's, you know, memory verse for the following Sabbath. But guys, this is the end of the video. Hope you like it. Go ahead, subscribe, don't forget to share, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.